The important thing with any hinge is that you're keeping your back straight so that it's actually a hinge. In order to do this, you have to slide your hips back in space. Otherwise, because of our heavy head, we would fall right over. So let's look at that. So here's the angle that I have. I end up having like about a 94-degree angle there. And when I stand up, that angle completely disappears, right? There's no more angle, like we're at 180 degrees straight. So notice how the hips slide back. They have to slide back in space. In order to do this, your back needs to stay really straight. So I get straight first, hips slide back, right? I've got my angle here. So notice my legs are not upright, right? I'm not here with my legs. My butt's way back there, but my feet are in front of that. So it's sliding back that does the trick. And even when you're on one foot, it's going to be the same thing. Slide those hips back. Don't let your head drop. On one foot, same thing. So we slide back. Now, that's harder to do because the hips want to twist, but it's still the same basic idea, right? We got the hips sliding back behind the foot line. And stand up all the way straight each time. Come all the way back up each time. See, hips slide behind that line. Hips slide forward. So here's a more dramatic expression of that. And the thing still being that your hips are sliding behind the line.